Queen Bee, come here. Queen Bee, Queen Bee, Queen Bee, Queen Bee, Queen Bee. You need to tap. Me tell you all the while you make mischief. Oh yeah, me tell you. Queen Bee. People take it from me. If you go and search on her page, I think it was in last year November, you will look where she do a live. When she did a live, this is why what I can tell you, she have tall ear. That voice, that's not her. She did a live in Canada. That's where she live. Chyn, we all know Chyn is. We listen to social media voice, social media newsroom voice. And take it from me know people voice. That me know that not those two women. They are two different person. They social media, you can go on her page, listen to her life. Chyn, no disrespect. Chyn voice have more bass in a hit than social media newsroom. Chyn is a older girl than social media newsroom. When you listen to social media newsroom, that girl does not pass 30. She lives in Canada. Chyn is in Jamaica. Social media newsroom had done a live in Winnipeg because the something show and somebody, because I didn't know, somebody that have attached with Canada told me that is in Winnipeg. Queen Bee, you never did for it. You will cause innocent people for lose them life. You will cause innocent people forget jump. Do not do that. Them are two different persons. Go listen to the voice. Chyn voice have more bass in a hit. Chyn is a older girl than social media newsroom. Social media newsroom is a young person. Young. Why would you do that? You must not do them thing, them man. Not do them something that this last time they come and say, what's your name there? Same way so Michelle Ladana cast Michelle Ladana for come out here concuss bad word. Then you come again. Now Chyn and social media newsroom is two different persons. Definitely two different persons. You don't know who. Let me tell you something, no people. You know, say it take me about, let me say, this year would have been, last year would have been 1 or 2 years since me get help from Miss D. I know say it was October. Entertainment Buzz reached out to me about she had, because I didn't even know it was a she. You know, when I know Entertainment Buzz is a she, one Mother's Day, I said, let me send her because I want, because I said I didn't know, and she said yes, she have kids. I never know Entertainment Buzz if she was a boy or a girl at the time, and I didn't want to ask because when it touch social media, when you question people, better you let people tell you. They will feel defensive or they will tell you a lie. Make somebody reach out and gain trust what they can tell you. And then one morning I say she make a post and said that I think it was the same Jennifer and said she's a woman. I didn't know. I don't know. I have never, only in writing. You can't just do that. Chyn have more bass in her throat Chyn sound more vulgar, to be honest. How me I got talk, Chyn? Not take it as no disrespect, ma'am. Chyn have sound more vulgar like a market woman. Social media newsroom, either she there Canada from she little bit or she born there. Social media newsroom, so and no disrespect, sound more, well polished and more. Social media newsroom would have be like in a the decent, the little refined part there. So she know that in the one where if she forget dirty, she will get dirty. Social media newsroom is not that type. She not the one where look like if her head chip, she will turn her frock over her head. Social media newsroom where if her head stiff, social media newsroom would that be a type where can defend themselves and very nicely we believe you. But she not the one where look like if she get out, she will fling her frock over her head. To see a two different person them there. Social media newsroom is way more decent than Chyn if she get on her wrong side. What I'm not even say 2 page, better you did say. But yeah, but and then again. I'm not even say the 2 page them there in the same country. One of the page based in Winnipeg, Canada, and one based in Jamaica. Social media newsroom and somebody where I got disrespect or such with talk and so about Chyn with flinging frack over him head. How you never notice that? I would put a social media newsroom with let's say a latest where we'll cry with someone such Chyn of different somebody. Queen Bee, no man, no, don't do that. You will make innocent people at the second time now. Take your time, you will make, and to be honest, let me tell you something. What you look for social, let me ask you something. What you look for the people them for? What you look for the people them for? What is so interest, What you look for the people them for? What look for social media newsroom for? Is a child run that page? Are you look Queen? Where you look, you big woman. Where you follow the page is run. You ever hear like why don't leave the young people? Why can't leave the young people them? This is what I have a problem with. Now a latest a social media newsroom and Noel. This is why I say a lot of time you cannot talk. I was attacked on the social media here by kids. And what you run down the picnic them for? Tell me, why on earth, why it's so important to you? That's a child. When I see that girl in the morning, that's a child. Cause you could see half of her body. She have long hair. That's a child there. A child in about maybe 23. I doubt that girl reached 30. Because she came out and it was when winter was just coming, snow was just falling in Winnipeg. That's a child there. Leave the girl alone, make you build them page and make the people in town. We talk about with one another, give them a chance to leave them alone. Make the picnic then time. Leave who uninterested for one who. Why uno want to know who on page? Uno a tax man? Jennifer, leave the girl alone. Leave the girl alone. And people, I can assure you, Chyn and social media newsroom is two different persons. Anyway, don't for that now. I see a live with Salone, where Salone went and she went. She was very happy. She advertised Rebel. Rebel, big up yourself. Better than Macadamia. And Salone said when she was leaving, me never said Chyn hole. Me never said Chyn hole, you know. I did not say Chyn hole. But Chyn must pass 30. Chyn must pass 30. Social media newsroom not pass 30. They're a child. Nobody never said Chyn hole, but she sure Chyn age come off almanac. Yes, so where Sister Salone she went, that was very good of her. That was very good of her. Now I am concerned about Salone of not resting. Not resting. Because I said she come back, she go back for the money. Well, that a for her miss the problem. I don't know about the money problem. Can't not for me money. The Salone come home before day. Normally a place him only come home before day. And Salone say she go a conference and she say, why is Salone not resting? When you're diabetic, you need to rest. No, me nah got my bed. Me don't pay my rent so I can't sleep. When me not pay my rent, I can't sleep. Me attack. Me talking, me not going to my bed. Are your dad sending me to my bed? No. Me grow unruly. Me not going to my bed. Not yet. Me attack. Click a bit. When me no come on, no see him one text me ask me so when me there and sit. When me get the time, me can't come. So me kinda concerned. No kinda me concerned. She not resting. Salone, you need to rest your body. You're diabetic, you can't run road, you're not energizer bunny. Next thing we may have, we may say something about. Now, why on earth Joseph would no say him not working, and the lady will lend Joseph the money, and this is why I wonder, Joseph not working, and you get up and lend Joseph money and Salone have to pay it back, because say according to Salone she want to take shame out of your eye, but Salone you can't even take shame out of your eye, so you got to take it out of Joseph's eye. You can't even take shame out of your eye. Oh, you have to take it out of Joseph's eye. No. Not tell me say. Even though until now we are wait for the CXC result. The same Excelsior there, because my second son is a past student from Excelsior. So nobody can tell me nothing. Excelsior, after you do 6th form, you can go there and that is free for 1 year. Whether you go do back your exam or you go do more, that Excelsior grant you. And Joseph all know we are waiting to see the CXC result. Now, call center, you can get work. You can get work. If Joseph become for me two boy them. My son was at work the Tuesday before him pass off the Thursday. Work and go to the university. So Joseph can go. Joseph only sit down, make that baby, and then this is when me I go say no. Me no say, I mean not care. You see when people feel, when I mean never say people, Miss D, come here, Miss D, ma'am, come here. Me no want my money, but Miss D, you have to tap enable slackness. You hear, ma'am? You have to tap enable. Because I say, no tell me say you baker, you not have something for wash. Before you give Salone that money, you should call Joseph and Eve and make him wash. Make Joseph come down there, get the money, the same money where you use, make him go take out in food and glass permit and give him something to do. That's how you help people. You taking it up and give her because they say that's nothing, you're only enabling him, because when Salone don't pay the money, he's going to borrow again. Why him cannot get up and work, and this is why you know, I'm keep my mouth cap. No, I'm going to say that part here. I'm going to hold that part here.